Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer your XRP from Robinhood to an Exodus wallet in 2025. If you're looking to take control of your crypto and move it to a more secure, non-custodial wallet, this guide is perfect for you. With the crypto landscape evolving, it's more important than ever to handle your assets directly. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Robinhood account with some XRP in it, and the Exodus wallet app installed on your device. Exodus is user-friendly and supports XRP seamlessly, so it's a great choice for beginners. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Navigate to your portfolio and find your XRP holdings. Tap or click on the Withdraw or Transfer option. Robinhood might call it Send or Withdraw Crypto. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Next, open your Exodus wallet. Go to the XRP section and generate or copy your wallet address. This is a unique string of characters. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, back in Robinhood, paste that Exodus wallet address into the recipient field. Robinhood will ask you to confirm the details, including the amount and fees. Once you're sure everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll get a transaction ID, and the transfer should process on the XRP Ledger network. Keep in mind, transfers can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. In 2025, with potential updates to the XRP network, things might be even faster. Always monitor your Exodus wallet for the incoming funds. That's it, you've successfully moved your XRP to a safer spot. If you run into any issues, double-check for the latest fees or network requirements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next video.